Hello, Lily. I didn't see you there.
Hi, Ethan. I am just enjoying the fresh air.
You look great today. That yellow cardigan is a perfect choice.
Thank you so much. It is very soft and warm.
The color is very bright. It reminds me of the morning sun.
That is a lovely thing to say. I like happy colors in autumn.
You always have a great sense of style. It is very natural.
You are very kind to notice. I try to be comfortable too.
Well, you look very elegant. White is also a good color for you.
Thank you, Ethan. You look very sharp in that white shirt.
Oh, this? It is just a simple cotton shirt.
It looks very clean and neat. It matches your blue eyes perfectly.
I'm glad you think so. My sister helped me choose it.
She has good taste. You look like a professional athlete today.
Thank you. I feel very energetic this morning.
It is a beautiful day for a walk. The sky is so clear.
You have a very positive attitude. It makes me feel happy.
I am glad to hear that. A smile is the best accessory.
You are right about that. Your smile is very charming.
You are very good at giving compliments. I feel very special.
I only say what I see. You are a very bright person.
Thank you for the warm words. It makes my morning much better.
My pleasure, Lily. Are you going to the lake?
Yes, I want to take some photos there. The light is perfect.
That sounds wonderful. Have a lovely walk.
Wow, is that a new camera around your neck?
Yes, I got it yesterday. It is a gift for my birthday.
It looks very expensive and professional. The lens is huge.
It is a bit heavy, but it takes amazing photos.
I saw your last project. You are a very talented photographer.
Thank you. I am still learning how to use all the buttons.
You have a natural eye for detail. Every photo tells a story.
That is a huge compliment for me. I want to be a professional one day.
I believe in you. You are very dedicated to your hobbies.
I just love capturing beautiful moments. It makes me feel creative.
Your passion is very inspiring. Not everyone works so hard.
You are very supportive, Ethan. Your words give me confidence.
You deserve it. Your work is very high quality.
Look at this photo of the old oak tree. What do you think?
The composition is perfect. You caught the light beautifully.
Thank you. I waited 10 minutes for the sun to move.
You are very patient. That is why your results are so good.
Patience is important in photography. You can't hurry nature.
You are a very wise artist. I am very impressed.
I am happy you like it. Your opinion means a lot to me.
I am a big fan of your work. Please keep going.
I will. Maybe I can take your portrait today.
Me? I'm not a model.
You have a very friendly face. It will be a great shot.
Okay, Lily. I trust your talent.
Brr, it is getting a bit cold now.
Yes, but that colorful scarf looks very warm.
Thank you. My mother knitted it for me last winter.
The patterns are very unique. She is a very gifted woman.
She is. She spends hours choosing the right wool.
You look very cozy and elegant in it. The colors are beautiful.
I like how the orange matches the autumn leaves.
You have an excellent taste in accessories. It is very artistic.
It is a special gift, so I wear it with pride.
It makes you look very sophisticated, like a writer or a poet.
Maybe I will write a book one day.
You have a very creative mind. I am sure it would be a bestseller.
You are always so optimistic about my ideas.
I am just honest. You are a very special lady, Lily.
Thank you, Ethan. Your kindness is very rare.
It is easy to be kind to you. You are a wonderful neighbor.
I feel lucky to live next door to such a charming man.
That is a very sweet thing to say. I'm blushing now.
It is true. You always make me feel safe and happy.
And you always make me smile. We are a good team.
I agree. Let's walk to the fountain now.
Lead the way. I will follow you anywhere.
You are such a gentleman. My mother would like you.
I hope so. I respect her for making that beautiful scarf.
I will tell her. She will be very happy.
Look at you. You are running so fast.
Did you see me near the lake? I was trying to beat my record.
You are like a professional athlete. Your speed is amazing.
Thank you. I run 5 kilometers every morning at 6 a.m.
You are very disciplined. I can't even wake up that early.
It gives me a lot of energy for the day. I feel very strong.
You look very healthy and fit. It is very impressive.
It is hard work, but I enjoy the challenge.
You are a very brave person to train in the cold.
I like the fresh air. It makes my mind very clear.
You are a real hero of the park. Everyone watches you.
No, I'm just a guy who likes to move.
Don't be so modest. You are very hardworking and focused.
Thank you, Lily. Your encouragement means a lot.
Do you ever get tired? You look like a machine.
I do get tired, but then I think of my goals.
You have a very strong character. I admire that.
And I admire your stamina. You walk for miles with that camera.
I guess we both like being active in the sun.
Exactly. We have a healthy lifestyle.
You are a great motivation for me. I might start running too.
Really? I can help you with the training plan.
That would be a wonderful favor. Thank you.
No problem. We can run together next week.
It's a deal, but don't go too fast for me.
What is that in your hands? It looks like a sketchbook.
Oh, it is just a small drawing of the fountain.
Can I see it? Please, be my guest.
Okay, but remember, it is only a quick sketch.
This is absolutely fantastic. The detail is incredible.
You really think so? I think the lines are a bit messy.
Not at all. It is very expressive and artistic.
Thank you. Drawing helps me relax after a long day.
You are a very gifted artist. I can see the movement of the water.
I practiced drawing for many years when I was a child.
You have a lot of hidden talents. First photography, now art.
I just love to create things. It is my way of thinking.
You have a very deep and beautiful soul, Lily.
That is a very special compliment. Thank you, Ethan.
I am very serious. Your art shows your kind personality.
I try to see the beauty in small things.
And you succeed. You make the world more beautiful.
You are very poetic today. Did you read a book of poems?
No, I'm just inspired by your work. It's very moving.
I want to give this drawing to you. Would you like it?
Really? I would be honored to have it on my wall.
It is a gift for a good friend. Here you go.
Thank you so much, Lily. I will treasure it.
You are very welcome. I am happy it has a good home.
You are a very generous person. Thank you again.
Oh, look at your wrist. That is a very handsome watch.
Thank you. It is a new silver watch for my birthday.
The design is very classic and sharp. It looks perfect on you.
I like simple things that are also strong.
You have an excellent taste. It looks very professional.
It helps me stay on time for my meetings.
You are a very punctual person. I respect that.
Time is the most valuable thing we have. I don't want to waste it.
That is a very smart philosophy. You are very wise for your age.
I learned it from my grandfather. He was never late.
You have a very strong sense of responsibility. It is very attractive.
Thank you, Lily. I try to be a reliable man.
You are. I know I can always count on you.
And I can always count on your support. It is very important.
We have a very solid friendship. I am grateful for that.
Me too. You are a very intelligent and kind woman.
We make a very good team in this park.
Yes, the photographer and the runner.
And the artist. Don't forget my sketchbook.
Of course, you are a multi-talented superstar.
You are very funny. You always make me laugh.
Your laugh is my favorite sound. It's very bright.
You are a very charming man, Ethan.
Thank you. I am just happy when you are happy.
Let's get some coffee. My treat today.
This vanilla latte smells amazing. You choose the best drinks.
I know the best cafe in the city. Their coffee is very rich.
You are a real expert in good things. I trust your choice.
I just like to enjoy the small moments in life.
That is a beautiful way to live. You are very sweet.
Are you talking about me or the latte?
Both, but you are even sweeter than the sugar.
You are very clever today. That was a perfect joke.
I am just very comfortable with you. It is easy to talk.
I feel the same way. You are a very good listener.
I am interested in what you say. You are very smart.
Thank you. Your black coffee looks very strong.
It gives me the energy to finish my work.
You are a very hardworking and dedicated man.
I try my best to be successful. It is a long journey.
You have a lot of potential. I see it in your eyes.
That is a very big compliment. It means a lot to me.
I believe you can do anything you want. You are brave.
Thank you, Lily. You are my best motivation.
We are very lucky to be friends. This coffee is perfect.
Be careful, it is very hot. I don't want you to get hurt.
You're very protective. It is a very kind quality.
I care about you, Lily. You are a special person.
And you are a special man. Thank you for the company.
The pleasure is all mine. This is a great afternoon.
The sun is setting now. The park is so quiet.
It is the most beautiful time of the day.
Today was a wonderful day. I enjoyed every minute.
Me too, Ethan. Thank you for all the kind words.
You deserve every compliment. You are an amazing woman.
And you are a perfect gentleman. I am very lucky.
Your friendship is a real gift to me. I mean that.
You have a very warm heart. It makes me feel safe.
I will always be here for you. You can count on it.
You are a very loyal and honest friend. It is very rare.
We have a very special connection. I am very happy.
Look at the sky. The pink and purple colors are so bright.
They are beautiful, just like your colorful scarf.
You remember every detail. You are very attentive.
It is easy to remember things about people you like.
That is very sweet. You have a very poetic soul today.
It is because of you. You bring out the best in me.
And you bring out the confidence in me. Thank you.
We help each other grow. That is a true friendship.
I agree. I am looking forward to our run next week.
It will be great. I will be a very kind coach.
I trust you. You are a very patient and smart man.
Have a wonderful and quiet night, Lily.
Sleep well and see you soon.
Goodbye, Lily. Take care of yourself.